Text on test 7, page 154, question 5. Find the area of the shaded region. So in this question, we have two shaded areas, between 0 and 2 and between 2 and 4. This is the equation of our curve, which is x cubed minus 6x squared plus 8x. So this question has to be done in two parts. To find the area, we need to find between the limits of 4 and 2, the integral of x cubed minus 6x squared plus 8x, and add to it between the limits of 2 and 0, the integral of x cubed minus 6x squared plus 8x. Integrating x cubed minus 6x squared plus 8x, we get x to the power of 4 over 4 minus 6x cubed over 3 plus 8x squared over 2. Returning the limits, this is what we have to do. So between 4 and 2, x to the power of 4 over 4 minus 6x cubed over 3 plus 8x squared over 2, added to between the limits of 2 and 0, x to the power of 4 over 4 minus 6x cubed over 3 plus 8x squared over 2. These can be simplified. So our 6x cubed over 3 is minus 2x cubed, and our 8x squared over 2 is 4x squared. This will just make it easier in the long run for calculations. So taking between the limits of 4 and 2 first, and what I'm going to do here now is sub in the 4 and the 2. So this will give me 4 to the power of 4 over 4 minus 2 multiplied by 4 cubed plus 4 multiplied by 4 squared. On the other side, and minus 2 to the power of 4 over 4 minus 2 multiplied by 2 cubed plus 4 multiplied by 2 squared. Doing our calculations, we get 64 minus 128 plus 64 minus 4 minus 16 plus 16. 64 minus 128 plus 64 is equal to 0. 4 minus 16 plus 16 is equal to 4. So 0 minus 4. So the area between 4 and 2 is 4 units squared. Go on to the second part. So between the limits of 2 and 0 now, we're going to insert 2 into our first part and 0 into our second part. This gives us 2 to the power of 4 over 4 minus 2 multiplied by 2 cubed plus 4 multiplied by 2 squared minus 0 to the power of 4 over 4 minus 2 multiplied by 0 to the power of 3 plus 4 multiplied by 0 to the power of 2. Doing our calculations, we get 4 minus 16 plus 16 minus 0. So the area between 2 and 0 is 4 units squared. Add the two of them together, so the area under the shaded region is 8 units squared.